Hey everyone, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels, and I'm going to teach you how to reset the light on an Acura RDX Type S. This is slightly different than a standard RDX. It took me a little while to figure this out, so I'm going to help you out. If your vehicle looks like this is how you're going to reset the light. So the first thing, without your foot on the brake, you're going to want to push to start the car. No foot on your brake. Push it twice. So past that, your vehicle accessories are going to turn on. Now you're going to see maintenance past due. Right here on the right side is your toggle. Just push it for your enter and scroll past all your alerts. Again, past due. Now, so if your screen is blinking like this, that's actually not what you want. So hit the toggle one more time. There. Now you're going to hold the toggle down for approximately 30 seconds. And here we go. It took me a few tries, so don't give up. I had to hold it for quite a while to make sure it shows what you are looking at right now. So we're looking at all due items. And now, if you look down here, it says push to reset. So once again, I'm going to hold it down. All maintenance items reset. Now we're going to start the car just to verify. Oil life 100%. Now do me a favor, if this was helpful, make sure to hit a thumbs up so other people get to see this video, and make sure to subscribe for more fun car tips and tricks. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.